Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to run diagnostics on your Microsoft Surface Pro 12. To do that, we're gonna need to install the tool for diagnostics from the Microsoft Store. So open the Microsoft Store on your tablet. Make sure that you have an internet connection. Open this field and search for Surface Repair tool. Once you find it, open its page and tap Get. As you can see, it's the official tool. In my opinion, it should be pre-installed, but for some reason it's not. Let's wait until it's downloaded and installed. Should take less than a minute usually, unless something is clogging up our downloading pool. Then open this application, tap Yes. Now, here in the test category on the sidebar, we can choose where we want to perform our diagnostics. So you can simply select your hardware element or hardware elements and tap Run. Then you have to follow the instructions and let this app check your hardware or software. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.